Okay, so this is okay. So this is with arithmetic U funcs. Comparison U funcs works an array of any shipping size. Right? Comparison array. So it even works on multi-dimensional arrays. Let's see. Let's look at this. Okay. So, so for example, this is a two-dimensional array. Right. So this is a two-dimensional array. Right. So x. Okay. So here's x. Right. Well, it's not funny. I can do the same thing. Let's say I'm really got any. So if I do x is greater than say 4, whatever, right? So you got it. Right? Can you guess? Kiki answer. Yanir ki answer.
False. True.
True.
False.
False. False. Isn't it? Okay, at least yeah, first row my answer. True. False. 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 This means true. True.
True.
False. True.
False. True.
Right? And so on. Right? See? And true. False. 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 True. True. False. True. And then so on. Right? Okay, so I mean it works on any higher dimensional, right? And higher dimensional, you one dimensional, even higher dimensional. It's so with all primarily you could appreciate it, okay? And you of course you appreciate it, okay? And then look at the expression. Expression is now it's so you cannot get any simpler than this, right? Okay, so this is the beauty. This is the beauty of Python. Okay. This is the beauty of NumPy. Okay. So, okay, so your pleasure. All right, let's see. Working with Boolean arrays, right? Counting entries. Okay. So what about this? So I want, right? I want all the number of elements. I want the number of elements that are greater than 4. Right? Greater than 4. कतिवटा छ त मेरो जस्तै यो array यहाँ पो सानो array छ हैन जस्तो millions को हैन हैन 10,000 by 10,000 को array पनि हुन्छ हैन so very big arrays हुन्छ so this one I want to know so particular okay how many of them are greater than 4 for example right? So it can be done very simply and simply के गर्ने भन्दा you can figure the sum है अनि मैले के गर्नुहुन्छ x is greater than 4. Let's solve it. No? So let's see, solve the true. 1, 2, 3. Did I miss anything? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Right? Solve that true. Right? Because I will simply get and fit a sum. Sum actually sum you supply an integer course integer cast integer cast true integer
1.
right false integer
0.
0 it's the int you get 1 and this is false you get 0 and we see this one जोड्दाखेरि चाहिँ हामी 1 1 मात्रै जोड्ने भयो नि त it makes sense and we get 6 भने ट्रु मा 1 हुन्छ अरु सबै 0 हुन्छ र 1 1 जोड्दा जति हो 6 वटा भयो so that's the number of items that are greater than 4 right okay बुझ्नु भयो बुझिराख्नु भएको छ ठीक छ बुझिराख्नु भएको छ
Yes, sir.
All right, so let's see. You can do that. Okay, we can also do count non-zero, but that's a bit too long, right? NP dot count non-zero, and simply let's see. Oh yeah, non-zero. See, it's the okay. Yeah, non-zero, of course. यसमा हैन 12 वटामा 11 एउटा जिरो छ यो non-zero लेसन यो अथवा तपाईले यसैमा you can do also so x is greater than 4 यो गरे पनि now you should get 6 see you get 6 okay so यसमा यो the ones and zeros are so अनि non-zero चाहिँ कतिवटा छ 6 वटा छ okay All right, so we can do the same thing in terms of, say, I don't know, say your area. Let's do it. Okay, so Isma, say, you हरेक row मा, हैन हरेक row मा, okay, कतिवटा चाहिँ हैन, say 4 greater than 4 कतिवटा छ हरेक row मा, भनेपछि कसरी हो? हरेक row मा 4 भन्दा greater कतिवटा elements छ? You try.
एउटा, तीनवटा, दुईवटा.
But expression key.
NP dot sum x x equals to 1, x is x equals to 1.
X is x. When greater than 4, greater. X is x. Sorry.
X is greater than.
X is okay. X is greater than 4. This is
Greater than 4.
X is equal to 1. 1. Say thank you. Thank you very much. Yeah, that's correct. That's correct. Okay, so let's. Okay, does it make sense? Let's see. 4 when the greater kati yoda matra. Yes, that's right. Right. Second my case 4 when the greater kati yoda sense. 7, 9 or 5. So see it. This one's a key. 4 when the greater 6 or 7. 7 and 6. Right? Okay. It does make sense, you know. Except which doesn't matter. Okay. Likewise, if you want on the columns, column
X is equals to 0.
Okay, so what is the result? The result is the result. Expected result.
5, 7,
5, 7, no, sir.
2,
2, 1, 1, 2.
2, 1,
1, 1,
1, 1, 1, 2. No? Let's see. Yes, 2, 1, 1, 2. Yes, that's correct. Okay. See? 2, 1, 1. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Hit that. Okay, so you get that. You get that. Okay, so what else we got? Okay, we got something called any, hey, np dot any or all. Okay, so let's see, hey, np dot any, right? Any, let's see, x, right? X, say x is greater than let's say 9. Greater than 9. What do you think? Are there any elements that are greater than 9? X. Huh?
false.
False. It could even say 9 on the tree could even say. Right? So are there any elements less than 0? Huh?
False.
False. Because, yeah, there's no negative number, of course. Right? So is there any element less than 5? Yes, of course. Yes. Less than 5, there is any.
True.
Yes, it's true. Anyone, at least yoda matri. Yoda matri is true. Yoda matri element, you true. It will give you true. Right? Okay. So so any any means anyone. If okay, it tests whether any one of the elements, right, meets this condition. Okay, you got even true. Otherwise, it's false. Okay, just got it. We can do also on this the row wise, column wise. Okay, so I want to test whether any of the elements are greater than 5 on the row. The row am I going to put in here?
X is equals to 1.
Very good. Hey, let's see what is the expected result. Yes, sir. Expected result. Yes, sir. What do you think?
False. 2, 2, 2.
Less than 5. Okay. so less than
True,
5,
true,
right?
true.
Let's make it greater than 5. Okay? Let's just make it greater than 5. Yeah, we obviously is there any element?
False, true, true.
False. Okay. So first one false answer. True answer. True answer. Yes, that's right. That's right. Okay. See, so first row, man. Okay. In the first row, as you can see here, there's no element that is greater than x is greater than 5. Right? Is there any element which is greater than 5? No. You see, yeah, China. 5 in the greater China means, right? So there's none. So you get false. Right? This much top, obviously 7. So you don't want the work from you, and we don't have test more than 1. Right? 7. So you get 7 to 6. So you're a test one. You're done. True one. That's it. Okay. Okay, so you're saying bio and row and p dot any. So you can do likewise in the columns beneath, access 0 in columns. So okay, let's see. Likewise, you can do x. So np dot all. How about this? Np dot all, right? Are all elements x greater than 0? True or false?
False.
Are all elements greater than or equal to 0?
True.
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 Right? True, because all of the elements are either 0 or greater than 0. Right? So you're million. Right? True. So are the elements greater than or equal to 6? Of course, are all the elements greater than or equal to 6? False. Right? So we can do we can provide access system when access is equal to 0, right? And are all the elements greater than, let's say, 7? Right? So what do you think of chaos? Result chaos. Can you try?
False, 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 false.
Chaos, false.
False.
False, false.
False.
Sorry, false.
Sorry, false.
Are all the elements greater than 7? No. Yes, I mean you 0 column your column this is 572 columns, right? This man. Are all the elements greater than 7? No. This one This one This one yeah, that means all of them will be false, right? Okay, how about this? Are all elements greater than 1? How about now?
True. True. False. True. True.
True. And next again.
False.
Okay.
True. 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 True.
Yeah, makes sense. Yeah? So yeah, that's right. Right? True, false, true, true. You know that, right? So okay, we column a test one. X is equal to 0. See, we column a test one. Okay, column is the isma. You column first column. See, okay, are all the elements greater than 1? Yes, because 2, 7, 5. Because all of them are greater than 1. That is true. Right? But isma, are all the elements greater than 1? No, because 0. And 0 saying China. You see a false one. This one say yes, true, sir. This one true, sir. Right? Okay. So think so. Was it done by somebody? Right. Okay. Likewise, you can do on the rows one right? Any all right. So let's do some Boolean operators. Bitwise operators. Okay. So again, we have this array x. So okay, so we can do these bitwise operations. Okay, okay, so okay, I want to know the this is okay. How about this? Okay, so this is my x, right? And this one, number of elements greater than 2 and less than 5. Okay? So how many how many items are there in X which are greater than 2 and less than 5, right? Greater than 2 or less than 5. 2 or 5 could be chama, right? 2 or 5 could be chama, not including 2 and 5, right? Not including 2 or 5 could be chama. You see, 3 or 4, right? Okay, 3 or 4, right? 3 or 4, right? So what you and the expression. Okay, what is my expression? What is our expression? What type is it?
np.sum
Yes.
x greater than 2
X greater than 2. Yes.
And
And you say I'm looking N A and D and percent.
till symbol.
Right. Bitwise. So we need to use bitwise. A and D and logical to use. So and then we need to do next one here by access
less than 5.
Very good. Hey, so it's if you go here, it will probably give me error because you're saying your evaluation will right. You're saying really like grouping of it's an error. Right? So rather, what we need to do is group them together. So, okay. Then let's see. 4 is that true? Like 2 to 5 could be some of tower. That's what I'm saying. 2 to 5 then you see could be 3 to 4. 3 to 4. When you see 1, 2, you do it about 3, 3. Yeah, you answer. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? That's why you got 4. Okay, Buzuma say. Okay. All right. Let's see what else we got. So it's not the big one. Right? The city operator use that it's one. And these operators actually, execution engine interpreter, they're actually calling these. This the way it's not the bitwise and you are only, but actually calls in your way that if bitwise and bitwise or is it. Okay. All right, so next thing we're going to talk about is Boolean arrays as masks. Boolean arrays as masks. Okay, we can use Boolean arrays as masks to select particular subsets of the data. Okay, so let me show you this. So here it is. So I have this X, right? So this is my X. So yeah. Okay, I can do this thing. For example, I want to get all those elements. The number of items. Right? We just saw number of items. Okay, so the X equal to 4. Right? Okay, which ones are they? I know actual numbers are because I'm using that. So now we can get that as well. Right? And this is say, for example, if I do X, so mask is equal to you use a mask block, mask block, right? X is greater than I use 4 neighbor. Right? X is greater than 4. Right? So you say I'm a mask one. So you say I'm a mask. Right? So over यसमध्येबाट कुन होता थियो है so of course I'm np sum np sum mask अब यो कतिवटा छ of course we get that 3 वटा रहेछ which is greater than 4 3 वटा छ so the actually okay what are the actual values the कुन होता थियो है कुन हो भने पत्ता लगाउनको लागि we can do simply this हैन x अनि यहाँनिर fancy index है fancy index हामी गर्यो है okay so anyway so right it'll give you all those actual numbers त्यसमा 575 रहेछ and यताबाट गर्दै गयो हैन and greater than 4 right so yeah okay यो कुनै पनि मिल्दैन so कहाँ मिल्छ यहाँनिर है यो आयो 5 हैन अनि नेक्स्ट चाहिँ यहाँ आयो नेक्स्ट चाहिँ यहाँ आयो that's a true says यो false भनेपछि यो रोको के पनि आएन है यहाँनेर लास्ट रोमा ट्रु छ भनेपछि यो 5 चाहिँ लियो के हो यो चाहिँ 5 लियो है अनि थर्ड मा हेर्नुस् त यो 7 मा ट्रु यो ट्रु यहाँ छ हेर्नुस् त 7 लियो 7 and this is finally यहाँ ट्रु छ यो 5 लियो है ओके so अब mask गर्दाखेरि के हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि it will throw away everything ignores everything that where there is false त्यो पोजिसन जहाँ false हुन्छ नि त्यो चाहिँ उसले छोड्दिन्छ र जुन जुन ट्रु हुन्छ त्यो मात्रै लिन्छ के right okay so does this make sense ठीक छ बुझिराख्नु भएको छ
Yes, sir.
okay now so we're going to use it a lot anyway yeah I'm धेरै use don't worry so you're saying about so whatever you were being familiarized at this time okay so I need to possibly use so so you'll get practice in that anyway. It's the homework so okay let's see. So let's do an example counting rainy days right okay, which is an interesting example where you get to play with all the all of these concepts that we talk about right masking broadcasting right and subway right? That's the next thing right so we'll get to use that right okay so I'm looking at somebody there is a data set called Seattle 2014 ma right city of Seattle 2014 rainfall data okay right so let's do some analysis on that right this good analysis on that based on okay what we just studied we just saw okay so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get to that data file because I've already provided you that hey by the way the data files and I'll stay folder here I think this much okay so we're going to use exit to get there now okay students okay so I got this so is that data files okay, so I got it here this man's so Seattle 2014 right so we're going to use this one right Seattle 2014 okay so now I go to Python now Python okay okay so now I have that here right Seattle 2014.csv right okay now I can use that right so अब यसलाई मैले के गर्छु भने हामीले pandas data frame I think we have already used it once right and this is President High School so you are familiar with that right so मैले के गर्छु भने import pandas as pd right अनि so मैले के गर्छु data is equal to pd.read csv right read csv because this csv format as you can see from the extension so read csv and what's my file name Seattle so my file name is Seattle okay so this is okay so it comes in really handy to read most of these files using pandas right so let's see data.head so here it is right so okay you can see that it gives you a station name okay so it's from 5 rows so 17 columns right yes no you use a head so it's a shape here right so let's see the shape okay data is and if you see it's the कतिवटा rows कतिवटा columns right the data मा कतिवटा rows कतिवटा columns
365 rows 17 columns
hey 365 भनेपछि हरेक दिनको डेटा छ है हरेक दिन कति पानी परेको थियो है त्यसको त्यति अनि हरेक कति 17 वटा त्यो फिचर्स छ 17 वटा है कलम्सहरु छ like let's see what those columns are you can simply do that either columns है so के रहेछ station छ station name छ date छ PRCP precipitation which is the rainfall है this is snow okay SNM okay snow Tmax temperature max temperature min okay wind yeah these are a bunch of these things we're just interested in this one right precipitation which is the rainfall right that's all we're interested in right for this analysis and अहिलेको analysis right अनि 365 वटा हरेक दिनको एउटा एक दिनको एउटा रो छ है एक दिनको एउटा रो छ ओके सो ठीक छ बुझिराख्नु भएको छ है यहाँसम्म के क्वेशन्स छ यहाँसम्म do you guys have any questions so far okay all right so now let's do some here is this subset so what we can do is so I'm looking at rainfall is equal to data PRC precipitation right के भन्नु यो यति मात्रै गरे भने चाहिँ के हुन्छ rainfall so you see this यसमा हेर्नुस् यसमा यो चाहिँ it's a series object okay right so which will deal with in great detail when you get to pandas hey so अहिलेको लागि यति बुझिराख्नुस् कि series भन्ने एउटा यस्तो object हो यस्तो data type हो जसको कि हैन यसको index दिन्छ अनि यसको value these are all indices 0 1 2 3 4 यहाँ सबै देखाएको छ अनि लास्टको 5 वटा देखाएको छ है सुरुको 5 वटा अनि लास्टको 5 वटा यसमा 365 वटा दिएको छ नि अनि हेर्नुस् न 365 छ है अनि हरेक चाहिँ 864 see you say all but I just need this value I don't need these मलाई यो चाहिदैन मलाई यो simply your values भएको छ नि त हैन भनेपछि let me just get these values है त्यसको लागि all I need to do is rainfall is equal to rainfall dot values यो गरे भने चाहिँ मेरो rainfall अब चाहिँ arrayमा आउँछ हेर्नुस् arrayमा आयो कतिवटा यो arrayमा कतिवटा होला कतिवटा एलिमेन्ट्स छ कतिवटा
365
365 right so let me show you rainfall dot see so do you think rainfall shape क्या हुन्छ
365 comma
as it would be very good right so very good so now we got this rainfall okay rainfall data rainfall data okay so what we can do is this so let's convert it to inches right it's in some other unit I don't know it's millimeter something like that okay? So we're going to convert this to if you divide by 254 now right? So this will be converted to inches right? So let's do that say inches you inches per hey so this okay so because United States uses this English system inches pounds related right? Centimeter meter was there right? America so the miles kilometer was there I said I kilo 1 kilo 2 kilo भन्छ नि उनीहरुलाई त्यो थाहै हुँदैन उनीहरु पाउन्ड्स भन्छ so all in the system so संसारमा पनि anyway so they use like inches so when you're centimeter you use that so anyway so inches is equal to so what do we do rainfall right divided by 254 that's it that is that what's this simple expression I understand what did we do I mean what did we just do rainfall divided by 254 लाई हामीले के भइराछ यहाँ भन्नुस् त broadcast yeah broadcast पनि भएको छ plus yes yes because 254 चाहिँ हैन 365 okay broadcast, right? The duplication by right? Even 365 may go. Actual competition with this remote, you boost actually your competition with this duplication about right? It's highly optimized, right? So I'm saying you boost right? Which is good. Okay. So yes, broadcasting via or broadcasting massive plus the uniform combination, right? Uniform massive, right? Inverse functions, right? Okay. So when you see your element butter, and liquid 254 divided by that element. So simple operation is that rainfall divided by 254. Now you are dividing each element by 254. Can it get any simpler than this? Of course not. Okay, understand? Now, these are all inches now. These are all inches. Okay. So it's about attendance right? Because I might forget to. Okay. So so now we got all of these in inches, right? I'm see what we just studied. We just we practiced, right? Last time and today. We just used it right here, right? Okay, so यसलाई मैले यसमा प्लट गर्छु हैन I'll show it right here. यसको histogram. Histogram भनेको थाहा छ मलाई. Did we do it last time? Histogram हामी गरेको छ है. President's height मा गरेको छ. So histogram गरेको है. Yes. है. अब histogram अब यो हुन्छ. So we're just plotting this. Whatever this your inches छ नि inches को histogram निकालेको छ है. Simply हैन plt.list inches basic यो गर्दाखेरि so यो histogramले के बताइराछ can you guess can you take can you analyze the histogram is you know insights or form सकिन्छ यो histogram. So what are those insights? So के भन्न सकिन्छ histogramले? This tallest
frequency.
Yeah, it's a frequency. That's right. But यसबाट के बुझियो त यो डेटाको बारेमा के भन्न सकिन्छ जुन Seattle rainfall data छ and यसमा something there's that's something stands out.
Most of the days pani parछ नि.
Exactly. Thank you है भनेपछि कति दिन चाहिँ पानी अथवा एकदमै कम अथवा नपरेको कति दिन छ
250 almost
Around 250.
Very good, right? 250 days. Yes, 250 days. Summer, either 0 or very little. Zero ke ekdamai nazik. Right? So 0, यसमा binning भएको छ. Binning means अब यो चाहिँ random variable, यो चाहिँ continuous variable भएको हुनाले यसलाई binning गर्नुपर्छ है. Binning भनेपछि त्यसको range दिनुपर्छ के equal size. Equal size को यतिदेखि यतिसम्म यतिलाई त्यो अनि यो गर्दाखेरि 0 देखि नजिक है भनेपछि either very little rain or no rain कतिवटा छ 250 छ अरु जुन दिन रेन हेभी रेन पनि एकदमै कम छ है हुँदै त यहाँ पनि डेटा छ तर चाहिँ एक्सट्रिमली स्मल भन्ने यहाँ प्लटमा आएको छ यो धेरै ठुलो भइदिएको हुनाले अब हामीले यसलाई एक्सक्लुड गर्ने हो चाहिँ अब यो यता पनि निस्किन्छ है यो यसको प्रपोर्सनमा यो धेरै सानो छ के त्यसले गर्दा यहाँ नदेखियो है okay all right so histogram it gives you a lot of very useful information right okay so यसो गरौँ we have about 2 minutes so your recipe maybe you can 2 minutes okay? So about see 0.5 or 1 inch को बीच maybe so I don't think we'll have enough time but anyway so Isma so how many days right how many days had greater than 0.5 and less than 1 integer value. Quickly, can we do this? Given. And we got something going to put it, and this is given. Rainfall, rainfall, and greater than inches, not
0.5.
inches, inches greater than 5. This is given. Ampersand.
N%.
Inches less than 1.5. 0.
Inches less than. So sorry.
Grouping गर्नु पर्यो त्यसलाई.
And you're disconnect. Yes, is a grouping. So anyway, you get the idea. So disconnected very soon. So anyway, so अब तपाईहरुलाई म दशैंपछि नै भेट्छु है. So good luck and happy Dasai, right? So okay, so see you after this. All right, bye bye.
Okay.